In this video, you will learn how to change the theme of your OpenCore's bootloader splash screen. Open up your favorite browser, make a Google search for OpenCore Configurator. Click the Mackey's website. Click the download button. Make another search, and search for GitHub Acid Anthera. Click the link going to GitHub. Right-click the OpenCore package, open it in a new tab, then scroll down. Do the same with OC binary data. Let's download the binary data. Download the latest release of OpenCore Bootloader. We are on 1.0.1 on this recording. Move them all on the desktop once done downloading. Double-click all these files, and it will begin to extract the containing files. You can select all the zipped files and move them to the trash. Since we don't need them now, double-click on the OpenCore Configurator, and if you're running this program for the first time, it will prompt you with this one. Open your settings and under Security and Privacy, locate the Open Anyway button, then type in your password once prompted. This will enable you to run this program now. Click the small icon of OpenCore above. Let's mount the EFI partition of this Hackintosh. I have 2 drives here, and I know that the EFI partition is on the NVMe drive. I will click the Mount Partition button and put the password once prompted. This will automatically load the config.plist. Click the small icon again. This time click the Open Partition button. Let's minimize OpenCore Configurator for bit. While the EFI partition is open, go into the EFI folder. Under the OC folder, we will drag the Resources folder from the OC Binary Data folder. Since I already have this folder here, I will just cancel it. Let's proceed to the next step. Open the OpenCore package under x64, EFI, OC, drivers. Copy the OpenCanopy.efi into our EFI partition. Just drag them up on the drivers folder. You can close these Finder windows. Now head back to OpenCore Configurator. Click the Miscellaneous section. Set the picker mode to external. Picker attributes to 17. Check the show picker, hibernate skips, psycher, hide auxiliary. Click the UEFI section. Under the Drivers tab, click the Scan Browse button below. Click the EFI partition on the sidebar, then navigate into the Drivers folder. Select all these files. The OpenCanopy.efi is now added on our drivers. You can go to File, then Save, or press Command S on your keyboard. Now for the fun part. Go to the Miscellaneous section again. Click this small icon next to the drop-down button. It will open this Themes window. There are many themes that you can choose from. Click the I button for you to preview these themes. Take your time to select which one you prefer to use. There is also page 2 that you can go. I like this BSX iMac themes right here. Again, take your time to preview them all that suits your preference. There is a tick box next to the theme name. Check which one you would like to download, then press the Download button. On the right, you can click the Set as Default button. You can also select the themes by clicking on this drop-down menu. Then once everything is done, don't forget to save. You can now restart your Hackintosh, and there you have it. By the way, these themes are compatible with OpenCore version 0.7.0 and newer. To know which OpenCore version you are running, click on the Tools, then OpenCore Downloader on the top of this pop-up window. The current booted version here is 101 or 1.0.1 version. Here's my chosen theme. This was the blue version of BSX iMac. By the way, I used the Thinkpad T480 for this guide with macOS Seqouia Beta 4. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Click the video on the screen that may interest you to watch.